Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your Siemens EQ6 Plus S500 as clean the plate from all the coffee excess and the water. So in order to do that, first thing we want to take off the milk heater by simply just pulling it like that. We can take it on the other side. Now we need to just simply force the plate to ourselves like that, and you just take it out. You can clean any coffee excess that should be here or any water that spilled out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.